So to use the subject reference feature inside Hailuo AI, first you need to head over to this page, which is hailuoai.video. Inside here, on the left hand side, click on Create. Now you'll be taken over to this page and click on Subject Reference, this third option. Now inside this, you can literally create a full-on movie with your own face in it. So what you have to do is type a prompt here and add your character reference, which could be your own face or any face that you find on the internet. So I can just click on X button and add a reference image. Just upload the character from here, add it, and then confirm it. Now the prompt, I've wrote this prompt. I'm going to show you what you can do with ChatGPT in order to do this. So they've got this different effects that you can explore: undercover operation, office fire, and a lot more. So if you click on any one of them, it's going to give you this, which is replace prompt. So I'm just going to replace this, and it's going to have this prompt entered inside a prompt section. The model, they only have got this one. And this is for enhancing the prompt. We're going to keep it on. Now I entered this effect here, and maybe I do not want to use this specific effect and I want to create my own. So I will just copy this, go to ChatGPT, and over here, I'm going to paste that prompt and say, make a random scene prompt like this one above, but think of a new scene. Then it's going to generate a prompt, but it's going to have a different scene in it. So like you can see here, the prompt we gave it and the generated prompt looks very different. In here, it's a lone sailor, a wooden boat, and a mist-covered lake at dawn. But in the prompt that we gave it, it was a cowboy rides a horse through a snowy landscape. So I just took this and pasted here, and this was the result. I also asked it for an action movie scene, but keep the prompt short. So this was it. But inside it, the prompt was for a female and not a male. So I said it's a he, and now I generated it for the male version. And now I copied it, go back into the Hailuo AI, pasted it here, and generated. Each generation takes in 45 credits. And if you make a new account on Hailuo AI, you get free trial credits, which is 1,000 exclusive points. So that's really good. And it's valid for it's valid for 3 days. When you sign up, you can enjoy these credits for 3 days. Now take a look at some of these examples that I created using subject reference in Hailuo AI. Watch. So that's it. This is how to use the subject reference feature in Hailuo AI. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.